Sort Your Life Out host Stacey Solomon gave birth to her eldest child Zachary when she was 17. Stacey Solomon has admitted she was really scared when she fell pregnant with her first child Zachary. Stacey gave birth to her son when she was 17, with her childhood sweetheart Dean Cox. "That was my first sexual relationship," she said. "Anyway, and when I had to tell my dad, I was really scared, but I think deep down I knew he'd be fine. That this is something I always say to my kids, like, come to me. Yes, whatever it is, I am the only one who's not going to disown you. I am the only one who's always going to be there. And I think deep down, I knew that. I think I was. I was ****ing myself and I was scared to tell him," she admitted. "But I also deep down knew he's never going to disown me. And I knew they'd know the answers as well as what I should do. And they gave me all my options. And you know what? My dad and my mum took me to an abortion clinic to, find out what my options were and what I could do. And they gave me no advice," she recalled speaking on Caroline Hiron's Glad We Had This Chat podcast. "Yeah, you make that decision." "Well, at the time, which I thought was horrendous, I was like, tell me what to do and I'll do it," the Sort Your Life Out host said. Host Caroline pointed out that she'd probably resent them for it now, leading Stacey to agree. "I think whatever decision I'd have made, I'd have blamed them for it. So they knew what they were doing and they said, this is up to you. We will support you whatever choice you make. But you do it. And I remember going in there. You have to have a scan so they can see how far along you are. They didn't show me the scan. They have the screen facing away from you. But I could hear the heartbeat," she said. Zachary is now a strapping 16-year-old and Stacey has gone on to have 4 more children. She welcomed her second son Layden with her ex-fiancé Aaron Barnham in 2012. She also shares 3 children with husband Joe Swash. Rex, 4, Rose, 2, and 1-year-old Belle. Joe also has a teenage son Harry with his former partner, meaning they have 6 children between them.